Transporting samples around the world from manufacturing facilities to fashion companies is a polluting and expensive way of transporting goods. We came up with a unique logistics concept in order to manage the shipment of samples. Right now, samples from different places go their own ways. Every factory sends out loads of individual samples. This causes high costs, customs confusion, and annoying delays. So we came up with a smarter way to manage this process. It's called sample consolidation. Here's how it works. The basic process of sample consolidation is about slowing down all samples that can be slowed down. Each sample gets careful attention. If it needs to be there quickly, we ship it fast. Otherwise, it joins other samples on a cost-effective, consolidated regular air freight. The outcome: a smoother process that saves you money, makes deliveries more reliable, and is friendlier to the planet. The advantages are pretty impressive. Your brand will notice significant savings around 30% on costs. Plus, you can count on timely deliveries, and we're all contributing to a cleaner world. Our smart IT platform makes it simple. You can manage orders, track progress, and access key reports effortlessly. From factory through warehouse and transport to you, everybody works with the same set of data. Process control is everything. Every sample shipment is thoroughly checked to ensure on-time delivery. It's a big improvement, transitioning from an expensive and disorganized system to an impeccably organized solution crafted by Greenway Logistics. This not only reduces CO2 emissions, but also achieves up to 30% in savings through sample consolidation. Do you ship a lot of samples? Are you ready to participate or want to learn more? Greenway Logistics, cost savings and greener logistics.